We are back here with our team coverage. We have Martin and Robert both tracking these storms for us.
Yeah, so the question for you guys, everybody wants to know is, when will this rain end?
Well, I think over the next couple of hours. I think just after sunset, even though most of us won't see the sunset because of all the cloud cover, the threat really starts to wind down. It'll wind down pretty quickly.
Yeah, I mean, we're really expecting a lot of this severe threat. I mean, in northwest Arkansas, it's basically already done. So, Robert, I mean, we're still seeing quite a bit of rain, right?
We are. We're seeing the worst of that rain, at least for northwest Arkansas, the most intense. Really starting to lose its punch here across Madison County, sliding toward Newton County. All of this, we don't have to worry about the severe threat. This is just plain old rain for northwest Arkansas as this line sort of snakes its way through the river valley. I think in Fort Smith, your severe threat is quickly coming to an end, but we still have to watch LaFleur County. Still have the severe thunderstorm warning just outside of southern LaFleur County. This storm has a history of quarter-size hail and 60-mile-an-hour winds. That could scrape the extreme southern part of LaFleur County. Once this line moves through your area, severe threat's done. And then you just have rainy conditions and quickly dropping temperatures. So take you outside. You can see that rain coming down in Fort Smith. Very low visibility, some fog mixed in there as well. Raindrops on our camera in Fayetteville as well as in Springdale, where things are cooling down pretty quickly. In Lowell, you can see how wet Interstate 49 is from all of that rainfall. 55 in Gentry, 52 in Siloam Springs, still 60 Fayetteville and in Prairie Grove. River Valley, about the same thing, upper 50s and lower 60s at this hour. We'll continue to see this unsettled weather slide off toward the east over the next couple of hours. But notice here, 8 o'clock, it's done. It's out of our area. And cold air is pouring in behind the front, so much so that we could see a couple of flakes across far northwest Arkansas while many of you are settling into bed tonight. It should have no impact on the morning rush. What will have an impact tomorrow morning are these temperatures, which will be in the lower 20s across northwest Arkansas. Look at our wind streams screaming out of the northwest. Temperatures in the River Valley still cold, upper 20s and lower 30s. The severe threat, what's left of it, basically talking about down in this area, LaFleur, Scott, Polk County, maybe parts of Logan County, we could still see a scattered severe storm. And the threats associated with those storms remain damaging winds, basically finished here in northwest Arkansas, but still damaging winds across areas south and east of Fort Smith. Hail, if we can get some of those severe thunderstorms like that storm in southern LaFleur County, and a very low but non-zero tornado threat. There's still some instability out here, so you could still get a very quick spin up. Lows tonight will be on the chilly side, upper 20s in northwest Arkansas. In the River Valley, those temperatures a few degrees warmer, but still cold, right around the freezing mark. And because of the cold temperatures, we still have Johnson, Logan, Scott County under a mix of freeze warnings and freeze watches, depending on your exact location. They kind of split that up by elevation. So keep that in mind. Temperatures tomorrow really not going anywhere, stuck in the 40s and lower 50s. And the weekend, it's even colder. We probably won't get out of the 30s in northwest Arkansas on Saturday. To a very chilly day despite all of that sunshine. First day of spring looks rather chilly as well, 10 degrees above or below the average. River Valley, same thing with a pretty nice weekend despite it being on the chilly side. First day of spring also will be well below average. Yesterday, Martin forecasted a high of 61 in Siloam Springs. Got it correct there as we got up to 57. So that means congratulations to Bobby of Fayetteville. He's going to get the always cherished Darby Bybee umbrella. We'll take you to Siloam Springs tomorrow, much cooler day with a high of 51. Stay with us. We're going to go back to Des Moines, Iowa, and Meredith Mulkey, the latest on the Hogs' big win as they advance in the NCAA tournament. More after this.